So, what are you doing on a lovely Saturday morning? Here's my better half. I told you, don't look at me, don't talk to me, pretend you don't know me. Steve's on a mission to see how far he can get on our brook. I don't think it'll be very far, but bless him, he's happy. Oh dear, Steve's hit an obstacle. Yes. Okay, Steve. So, how are we doing this?
It's getting a bit shallow.
A bit shallow?
Yeah, but we can cope, I think.
Can we?
Possibly.
Can we indeed? I'm not sure about that. I think you need to be on the right hand side. You didn't get that on the Quarry
No.
or the Reventathon. Right, I'm going to go down the other end in case he makes it. So Steve is about to launch again. It's very exciting. Had a little bit of portage for a while because the broken bikes and the shopping trolley got in the way. So Steve, bon voyage! Maybe we'll Eskimo roll. Woohoo! And we're off.
This looks like it could be a challenging obstacle coming up. Sure, there's an easy way through here. And we've stopped. Almost make it. Ooh. Gardening involved. Go and use it. Yes. Not right. Back into open water. It's not exactly one of the major rivers of the world. Probably describe this better as a drainage ditch. But in the interests of staying local and isolated during the lockdown for exercise, it's a good enough place as any, and potentially it'll connect into a bigger river somewhere. But for now, I'm just meandering along through the trees and bushes, and trying not to run aground too much, and just navigate through the small little gaps between the dead trees and shallow banks. Who knows where this is going to lead. Here we have a portage area where it's kind of impossible to get across some of these fallen trees. Can't go under it, can't go over it, so to get out, lift the boat across and then continue on downriver. I'll call it a river, I think it's still probably a ditch. See you soon. Things are opening up a little bit now. We've had two little streams come into the main river section here, and yeah, we've got a nice wide stretch of river just passing through Jubilee Park, which is probably about 500 metres from where we live, but it's taken about an hour to go this circuitous route. So yeah, we're just enjoying a little bit of open water now. It's really good. Sun's still shining. It's great. Little fallen tree there. Disturbs the ducks, and they're off. I just found this rather convenient reed bed to pull in for a nice refreshment stop. So, what better combination than Aloe and Argi? And this is just going to be so delicious. And if I can get it into the bottle without spilling it all over, that'll be a bonus. So, bit of Argi. Tip that into the aloe. Fantastic. Beautiful day. Bit of a shake. Soaking up the rays. Drinking Aloe and Argi on the river. Fantastic. So we've just passed Jubilee Park. Not really a clue where we are apart from downstream of Jubilee Park. Excellent. rubbish bin down there. And we'll be on our way. Out from the reed bed. Just come down from that section there, and interesting to see here the level of debris in the bushes from the recent flooding. Looks like it's about 1.5 meters up on current levels. So yeah, quite a lot of water went down here recently, but now it's all peaceful. A few birds, very pleasant. Here we are, the little drainage ditch turned into a bit more of a stream, into a bit of a river thing, and now it seems to have turned into a canal. So this looks like the first set of lock gates on the outskirts of Leicester. And a place to get out, and portage to who knows where. And we have liftoff.